Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, hi, my name is Taryn. I love to put out videos that are based off of hair and makeup tutorials, vlogs around the parks in Central Florida, which is where I am located, as well as some fashion lookbooks here and there, and of course unboxing videos, which is what we are going to be doing today. I actually got some magic mail earlier this week and I have been dying to open it. It is from my friends over at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. They are a subscription service that is basically catered to you. They have a bunch of different boxes, anywhere from Disney to Marvel, Star Wars, as well as Harry Potter. So if you are as excited as I am to open up this box today, then keep on watching. So what Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes is mainly a subscription service that comes right to your door. It sends Disney magic, Star Wars magic, Marvel, Harry Potter, right to you. Depending on what fandom that you love the most, you can totally customize the box for you. It does come in different tiered levels, so depending on what fandom you do choose, Disney probably has the most from what I've seen on the website, but they do have multiple tiered boxes for each of the fandoms, which is really, really great because it just caters to every single person. One of the things that I love most about Bibbidi is that they really do customize it based off of everything that you like and don't like. They send you a questionnaire that you literally fill out. It takes 2 seconds and it goes through every single thing you could even imagine. And at the end of it, it basically gives them an idea of your likes and dislikes. And then right before they start to make your box, they do send out a wish list which has anything from Alex and Ani to Lily & Co. They also have a lot of Loungefly on there, and those are the big items. So if you're getting an ultimate box or one of the higher subscription boxes, then most likely you'll end up getting one of your wish list items, which is amazing. I know every time I'm always wishing for like 10 of the items, and then it's really cool to see which one they pick out for me, because after a while they really do get to know what you like, which is awesome. They really get to know their customers and also their brand reps, which is what I am, and that's really nice for a company to really cater to their customers and their fans. So let's get into this. So the first thing that I always notice is that I absolutely love the box. Their box has a bunch of really awesome pictures on it. So it has like the up balloons and castles and everything like that. And the one thing that I also like that I already ripped off is they put a cellophane wrapping around it just to protect it when it's shipping, which I totally appreciate, because then I know that my box is clean, nothing's gonna get ripped, and all that jazz. Let's open it. All right, so when you open up your box, you are going to get a couple cards. So this is their spoiler alert card. It's basically going to tell you everything that's inside. We don't like to look at this, so we're going to set this puppy aside every time because I don't want to spoil anything. The other card that you get is this cute little Duffy card, and basically it tells you that Miss Amanda packed my box, which is amazing because that girl knows me better than I know myself. Everything is packed so nicely, and there's even glitter, so if you don't want to make a huge mess, don't open it like in your bed or anything like that. I have made that mistake in the past. Here we go. We got lots of stuff. One of the best parts about opening these boxes is that there's so much confetti and everything, and from what I can see, we got a big item. And there's something inside of it because it's heavy. Basically what I was saying before is that when you make your wish list, there are items on your wish list that are super rare and sometimes hard to find in the parks, including this bag that I absolutely love. If you know me, you know that I love pastel and I love rainbows, and this is exactly that. It's amazing. Oh my goodness gracious. This is the Loungefly Mickey pastel bag, and look at the straps. Like, come on now. It's amazing. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I don't know about you, but when it comes to Loungeflies, I really appreciate the ones that have a bigger zippy front. I do have like the Sorcerer Mickey bag, but it has like a really thin like zipper up in the front, and it's hard to like get your stuff in. This really is awesome for holding my extra mask and my keys, as well as my magic band and stuff like that I just throw into the bag. But this is perfect. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, We are gonna open it up and see what's inside. We got some bubble wrap. It looks like a candle. So this is the Wishes Candle Co. It is the hot, fresh baked churro candle, and it looks just like this. And they even include all that glitter on the inside, which is so pretty. Ooh, it smells like cinnamon. These are always the ones that I'm like very curious to burn and see what they smell like. But this is my very first Wishes candle, and I've actually been dying to try these out, so that's great. And then, ooh, my friends over at Basin is one of my favorite bath bombs. This is a Parks Resort exclusive. You can, ooh. So every time that it has this little pink sticker on it, it's going to say that it's a Parks exclusive. Because this is Basin, these are only available at Disney Springs, as well as the Grand Floridian. So that's really fun. These bath bombs are amazing. So I guess I'm taking a bath later. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. So this is another item that was actually on my wish list, and it is from Foothills Forge, which is a company that they have outsourced to. And let me see if I can get this. It basically looks like this. It is a magic band that has an engraved part in it. So this is something that they had on the wish list as well. So it has the castle, and it also has the balloons with Best Day Ever. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Right now I have like a very bright green Apple Watch band on, so I'm very excited to put this on. So the last thing that you want to do is look at your special spoiler alert card. So the candle from Wishes & Co. was $20. The Disney Parks exclusive Basin bath bomb was $5.99. The Bibbidi Foothills exclusive watch band, which I wanted so bad, was $26. And then the Loungefly Disney Mickey Pastel Rainbow Backpack was $75, which brings the total to $126.99, and for the box being $119, that is an absolute amazing deal because it is well worth the price. I actually have a coupon code that you guys can use on your very first box. I will put it down below, and it will save you $7 on your very first Bibbidi box. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you loved this unboxing today. I'm going to try to do a lot more, not just from Bibbidi, but from some other companies that I have in the works as well. I'm so excited. So definitely check out Bibbidi, links down below. I will also put my coupon code as well as my socials on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and my blog. There's so many. Hit that like button somewhere, subscribe, and put some comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll be looking out for your Bibbidi unboxing very soon. I'll see you guys later. Bye!